So, festivals and theatrical forms. Festivals are delightful events for Filipinos since they are art-loving and fun-loving people. Our life is surrounded by festivities and celebrations. Through it, we express it in our Thanksgiving and celebrations of blessings of God. We celebrate almost every aspect of our lives, from birthday celebration to death anniversaries. Other festivals are geared towards cultural preservation and tourism, such as Panagbenga in Baguio City, Binirayan in Antique, Kalayawan in Davao, Kasadyaan in Tacloban, Moriones, Marinduque, Sorteo in Carmona, Cavite, Boling-Boling, Katanawan, Quezon, Canandinya, Layog, and Wagay-Wagay in Imus, and hundreds of others. It is only in the Philippines that every municipality celebrates its own festival annually in addition to provincial-wide and regional-wide festivals organized by the Department of Tourism. So, aralin natin yung language of art concerning festivals and theatrical forms. So, pag-usapan natin yung festivals and theatrical forms in the form of language of arts. So, sa module na to, sa lesson na to, we'll be taking consideration yung knowledge and understanding of the uses of effects of integrating various elements, art elements, and associating meaning with visual from Philippine festivals and theater forms as influenced by history and culture. Festival. Muna natin si festival. So, ano ba si festival? A community event celebrating unique aspects of the community and its tradition, often serving to meet specific religious purposes. These celebrations offer the sense of belongingness for religious, social, or geographical groups. A festival is a special occasion of feasting or celebration, usually with religious focus. Enthusiasm. Ito yung intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. Fertility. This natural capability produce an offspring, which also sometimes incorporated in various cultural practices or something like festivals then also. Theater. Ano ba yung theater? Collaborative form of fine art that uses live performers to present the experience of a real or imagined event before a live audience in a specific place. Dance drama. Conveyed by dance movement, sometimes accompanied by a dialogue. Spectacle is a visually striking performance or display or an event of scene regarded in terms of visual impact. Then, proportion. Agreeable, harmonious relation of parts within a whole. Yan po yung language of arts pertaining to festivals and theatrical forms. So, for example, tatanong ko kayo, so what first pops into your mind? So, meron tayong mga festival. For example, kung sinabi ko bang ati-atihan, ano ba yung unang sa inyo labas sa utak mo kapag sinabi ko ati-atihan? Ati-atihan, black suit, alabira, something like that. Pag sinabi natin yung Mascara Festival, ito yung may maganda silang mga maskara, or Santa Cruzan, o meron tayo Reyna Elena, or something like, meron tayo yung Reyna Elena plus yung anak niya, si Constantine, or Panagbenga Festival. So, of course, maiisip nyo kagad yung mga bulaklak. So, imagine what the celebrations are about and the relevance are to you as a Filipino. Yun lang.